Hello students, today we are going to discuss the introduction of polynomials, that is a chapter number 2nd. So students, what is the first question? The first question is, what is a polynomial? Polynomial, it is a combination of two words. First word is poly. Poly means many. Nomials means terms. It means many terms. Many terms means each term is separated by. So I have written 2-3 examples. So first example is 5x plus 6. It has two terms. And if it has a two terms, it is called binomials. Binomial means two. And if it has a three terms, it is called a tri means three terms. So understood? So polynomials, if it has two terms, it is called binomial. If it has three terms, it is called trinomials mean three terms. Now if you see, each term is separated by either positive sign or negative sign, doesn't matter. Okay, so if you see the first term, each term consists of two parts. Each term, for example, I have taken 3x square. So one is called constant, its value never change. And other part, this portion is called variable. X square is a variable, its value changes according to the question. Now, so listen, what is the main thing for you? Each term of the polynomial is separated by plus or minus sign. Means every terms consists of plus sign or minus sign, already told you. And now the question arises, what are the constants, what are the variables? Firstly, we'll talk about constant whose values never change. Those are called constants. And what are the variables whose values change? Okay, whose value change, that is variables. Now I am doing the types of polynomial on the basis of their degree. That is a very important topic for you. Now the first one is a linear polynomial. Linear if the degree is 1. What is a degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable. If you see it, for example 5x1, so degree is 1. It is called a linear polynomial. Quadratic, this is a very important in your syllabus, very important. Quadratic, it has a degree 2. For example, I have written an example 2x square plus 6x plus 8. If you see, the highest power of the variable is power is equal to 2. So highest power is 2, it is called degree. So this is called the quadratic. And the third one is cubic. If the degree is 3, it is not so much important for us. For example, 5x cube plus 7x square plus 2x plus 8. So if you see, the highest power is 3. Highest power is 3. So that's why it is called cubic. Cubic means 3. Now after that I will discuss only quadratic polynomial. So important polynomial for the class 10th, that is quadratic polynomials. So I will write firstly the general form of the quadratic equations. Just see it better. Ax square bx plus c, where a, so let me tell you, a, b, c are real number and a is not equal to 0. A does not equal to 0. Why? Because if a is 0, it will not, the whole term will become 0, so it will not be a quadratic equation. So the one thing is clear, so coefficient of x square must be non-zero. Okay, so that is the main condition for you. Now, the most important part of this video is condition for the polynomial. So first condition you will see the power. Power, the other name is called exponent. Power is also called exponent. The power or exponent of each variable must be whole number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative numbers, negative powers, fractional powers are not allowed. Is it okay? So the second condition is each term consists of constants and variables. So if you see constants and variables also. So what is the third? Each term must be separated by plus or minus sign. Means every term must consist of plus or minus sign. So the last condition, that is also very important. The terms of the polynomials are arranged in ascending or descending power of the variables. Okay, for example, I have written ax square plus bx plus c. So they are written in descending order, or c plus bx plus a square. So this is descending order, this is ascending order. So it means these are the main conditions. So I will give you some examples also. The first example is, it is a very important question. X square plus 5x plus 6. It is a polynomial or not? Polynomial? Not polynomial. Yes. Yes, it is polynomial. Because each the power of each variable is whole numbers. Second, x plus 1 by x is it polynomial? Is it polynomial? Is it polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial, because x plus can be written as x has minus 1 power or exponent. So that's why it is not a polynomial. So third, the 3x plus 5 x square, is it polynomial? Solution: no, because 3 and x 5x square, the power of is equal to half. So if powers are in fractions, it means not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. So student, this was the just introduction of chapter number 2. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks.